Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I told y'all we were going to hit you guys with another early review, and what we got is the early SB Dunk Low review for the Bronx Girls Skate SBs. Man, these go absolutely crazy. They got some mismatching details on them, unique insoles on each one, the soles, I mean, oh my gosh, these go absolutely crazy. We're going to show you everything with them. It's going to take me a minute, but I'm totally cool with that. So I hope you guys will enjoy this early review. Let me know if you're going to be going for this pair, which I believe is dropping in December of this year. Again, I don't know if we have a date yet, but a few of these SBs, again, that we're going to be previewing this week. We have another one tomorrow. They're mainly set for holiday 2025, so just keep that in mind. But let's get into this early SB Dunk Low review for, well, the Bronx Girls Skate SBs coming soon. And these are sick. I don't know much about Bronx Girls Skate, but I will gladly take a personal of these. I think I can actually fit these. These are 10, so I'm going to give it a shot. But let's get into it, guys, and discuss, well, the Bronx Girls Skate SB Dunk Low coming soon. If you guys want more early SB Dunk Low content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let's just try and hit 300 likes in this video. That is a normal goal that we always shoot for. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. And again, let me know if you're going for these. You can also check out the Whatnot Labs down below. Don't forget, we've been previewing these over there. So if you ever just want to, hop on the live, ask me, preview these for you, I got you. Or if you want to check out some of the stuff we got for sale, we got tons of stuff for sale, some new Stuzzy tees that came in. Check these out, y'all. These tees are sick, man. So yeah, make sure y'all check out the lives down below. We got some dope stuff for sale. Don't sleep, man. Some sick tees. Those just came in S through XL. So if anyone wants to check it out, again, it's down below in the pinned comment. We got another live tomorrow. We're actually going to be giving away a free pair of SB Dunk Glows on the Whatnot Live tomorrow. So do not miss it. Not this pair, but another really cool one. So stay tuned. It's always worth the time to join. You know what I'm saying? You can win some free kicks maybe for you or someone else. So hope y'all will enjoy. And we do tons of free tee giveaways, so you can win a free tee in your size. So let's get into it. But as you guys can see, these will be coming in a sale box. Keep in mind, these will have a sale box because it is collaboration, but that's not the most important part about the shoes. We'll just set that right there. Now, taking a look at the sneaker, as you guys can see, this is the Bronx Girls Skate SB Dunk Low. Taking a look at it. So first details right there. We'll just go to the top of the sneaker. You see what I'm saying? With mismatching details, look at the outside of this sneaker. And then look at the outside of this sneaker. Oh my God. Like, that was probably my favorite part about this shoe is that detail right there. The fact that, they're mismatching. You know what I'm saying? Gives you, look at that. You see what I'm saying? Really, really cool vibes on the sneaker. So I'm liking what we got right off the bat. Just looking at the outside of the sneaker. And also taking a look at the leather, right? Kind of this like black leather material they're deciding to go with. It just kind of shines. You know what I'm saying? It shines. Look at that. So I really like the choice of material they decided to go with. I think it fits perfectly for the sneaker. It really allows it to pop more in hand. So I think that's probably my favorite part about this sneaker right here. Size 10. Super happy about that. And look at the soles right here as well. Of course, BX for the Bronx. You guys can see, of course, Subway right there. You guys can see this is G5, if I'm correct, if I can read. Yep, G5. And you guys can see it also has the train going two different directions. So some unique soles on these. I thought that was another really cool detail. Again, these have this SB has a lot of parts to it, which is probably my favorite part. Also, y'all can see this on the tongue tag. It says bags right there. Of course, the A is an X, but that says bags right there on the tongue tag. Not sure if y'all can see that. And again, look at that leather shining. Both the toe box have that same orange going around it, but then again, you get up here, look, you got green and red. There you go, that focus better, but look, green and red. You got two different colors right there. So I thought that was so sick. It's kind of mismatching on the inside and outside of the sneaker. So that's a nice detail. And you guys can see what it says right there in the tongue tag. It says Nike SB and then Bronx Girls Skate. Keep in mind, they change it up sometimes in the tongue tag. I like to see if they did that. So you guys can see it says Nike SB and then Bronx Girls Skate. Sometimes it'll just say Nike SB and then Dunk Low Pro, but they actually change it up there. So that was nice. Now, going to the heel right here again. This is another unique detail we have in this SB. As you guys can see, it says NY and NY, two little gold hang tags right there. Thought that was nice. And again, look at the mismatching details in each heel. Each one is unique. You can see kind of the color swap, you know what I mean? Maybe you understand what I'm saying right there. You can see one has that green layering underneath the Nike embroidery, and then the other one has, well, that red layering, or red embroidery underneath the Nike lettering. So I thought that was really cool as well. You can see, look, there's like mismatching details. So that's really sick. And then you also go right here, right, to the heel. You can probably see there's some letters right there in the heel. My bad. Let me not drop these. I don't know why I'm like about to drop them, but you guys can see it says the Bronx and then the world. I thought I was going to say the Bronx rules the world, but no, it just says the Bronx and then the world. So as you guys can see, that's what it says right there on the heel as well. Another really sick detail like what we got right there. Now, these also have unique insoles, as I told you guys, but we're going to take a look at the inside of the tongue tag because, yep, there we go. There's a unique detail on the inside of the tongue tag. As you guys can see, they both have the same detail. One right there and then one right there. You can see it's the same design on both of them. There you go. So let me actually show you all the design up close, right? We'll set this right here for a sec. take a look at this. On the inside of the sneaker, as you guys can see, it says bags right there. I thought that was pretty cool. So again, the same detail that we have on the front of the tongue tag. And if y'all want to follow my IG down below, don't forget we've been posting pics of these along with all the other SBs that we've been previewing this week. I still need to post pics of the Krampus SBs, but if y'all want to check out that earlier review, again, check that out. Yesterday we did that, so don't miss out. And again, the details that we have with this pair right here, super sick, well done sneaker. I really like it. It's unique all around. Also, let me show you all the unique insoles. I almost completely forgot to show all these, man. These have so many parts to them. It's such a nice pair. So let me show you all this. All right, so we got the insoles out. Sorry, I know that took me a sec, but look at this is all right. This is how you know this SB's gonna do some numbers. Look at this, guys. We have literally like a whole story going on the insoles right here. So here we go. There we go. Hopefully I'm holding that correctly. But y'all can see everything we got on the insoles of the Bronx Girl Skate SB. No details on the heel. Keep in mind, sometimes we'll have details on the back of the heel, the insole, but none on this one because, well, they're all in the front. So let me do a little bit of reading here for you guys. So on this insole right here, you guys can see it says we all come from different backgrounds, but nothing is more important than coming together as family and moving like family. And I can't remember who that says. It says, sorry, I can't read the name right there. My bad. I'm super bad at reading cursive. But as you guys can see, it says Nike SB, then Bronx Girl Skate at the bottom, and that is the message again on the left insole right there. So I thought that was pretty cool. Again, unique detail right there. And then you go to this pair right here. It says, okay, soy porque tomos, I am because we are. Okay, got it. Sorry, I probably messed that up again. I'm trying over here. Hey, you know what I'm saying? A for effort. But you guys can see another detail right there showing the global map right there. I thought that was pretty sick. And again, that's a cool little quote right there. I remember seeing that actually previewed on IG, that quote right there. But there's the rest of the insole. Again, they didn't show the rest of it. I would have liked that. You know what I'm saying? These have it's a little bit more than just, you know, that little detail on the heel. So I thought that was cool. And again, let me know what you guys think about these. So that is what we got on the insoles of, well, the Bronx Girl Skate SB. Super sick detail right there. We'll set the insoles down for a sec. I'll put those back in. And man, oh man. Again, look at the inside. Another unique detail. Look at the mismatching colorway. These go crazy, bro. Like, again, here's the right outside of the sneaker right here. Check that out. There's the outside of the sneaker. Then flip it to the inside of each shoe. Excuse me. Look at that. Again, these go crazy, man. I guess I could have just did that, but yeah, these go crazy, bro. So I really like what we got with the Bronx Girl Skate SBs. Keep in mind, set for holiday 2025, I believe, maybe a little bit earlier, but I believe holiday 2025 is the correct date. So again, let me know if y'all are going to be copping this pair for me. I'm gonna need these, man. These I might just keep this pair right here. If everybody's interested, hit me up on IG. I'm asking about like $650 or something, I think, for them. So yes, high price, but again, I don't really know who else is having these right now, but I just want to say thank y'all for supporting the channel. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make this possible, so that's first things and foremost. But if anybody's interested, hit me up. All right, enough talking. We're gonna do some b-roll shots of these right now, show y'all what they look like up close and in hand without me talking over it. Again, these, in my personal opinion, it's one of the nicer collabs we've had this year. I'm not gonna lie, I could see these doing really well. Just, they go crazy. Like, even if you're not a fan of like you know, who they're collaborating with, because maybe you don't know much about the Bronx or anything like that, I get it. Same here. You know what I mean? I don't really know much about it. I still like the shoe. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be copping if I can. So, yeah, super wearable. I like what we got with the sneaker. So, let me know if you're going for them. And let's do some B-roll shots right now without me talking over it. So, let's go. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I can say again about the Bronx Girl Skate SB Dunk Low. Let me know if you guys are going to be going for this pair, from, again, the sneaker being super unique to, well, both the unique insoles on this pair. I mean, again, this shoe goes absolutely crazy. If y'all want to check my IGs down below, don't forget we'll be posting some early pair pics of these, so stay tuned, full details. And yeah, very, very unique sneaker. Well done collaboration by Nike, and excited to see these releasing soon, hopefully, excuse me, I cannot speak. But if y'all want more content like this, and again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, we're just trying to 300 likes in this video. That is a normal goal that we always shoot for. And if you guys have any questions about this SB Dunk Low, please let me know. We'll always try and get back to you guys, hit y'all with a quick response, and let me know if you're going to be copping these. Definitely want this pair right here, because, well, this is one I'd like for retail. The mismatching details, you know what I'm saying? It's a well done sneaker. So again, let me know if you're copping. Don't miss the Whatnot lives down below. We're going to be doing another I can't speak, but another one tomorrow. We're going to be doing a little free SB Dunk Low giveaway, so make sure y'all again save that stream tomorrow. I already see like over 100 of you guys have saved it already. So sorry, again, I cannot speak today. It's like 8 a.m. right now, so just got to give me a bit. But yeah, check it out. We'll be doing a lot of stuff that'll be worth your time, some $1 starts, things like that. So don't miss out, and let me know again if you're going to be copping this pair right here. Really nice sneaker, like what we got, and just seems wearable, man. Seems wearable. I don't feel like you can go wrong with that. So that's it. That's it, guys. Excuse me, I cannot speak again. So check out the videos, anything else down below on the channel, IGs, all that is down below in the pinned comment, and let me know if you're copping for me. Oh yeah, they also have unique details. I almost forgot to show this. It says Bronx Girl Skate on the laces. These are crazy, bro. Don't sleep. That's what I'll say. These have so many moving parts. It's gonna be one of those ones I could see doing 200, like being 250 bucks. So I'm T. Thank you, guys. Let me know if you're gonna be copping the Bronx Girl Skate SB when it drops. I'll see y'all in the next video tomorrow. I'm Tristan. See y'all then. Peace.